Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 122 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. The Planning Commission has made various estimates about our resources, and they are based on a great deal of thinking and calculation. Nevertheless, they depend on so many uncertain factors. A person who is more optimistically inclined may make a better estimate, better in the sense of more hopeful estimate, while a pessimist may make a less hopeful estimate. Nobody can challenge it. For my part, I have an invincible feeling that in the final analysis, the resources of India are considerable. In our people's capacity, ability, and energy, and the question arises how to reach them and how to tap them to the best advantage. I think this can be done by the realization of the people themselves that it is worthwhile doing so by their full cooperation and the like. It can never be done by government decree or by an order from above. Therefore, it becomes important that our people should realize and understand fully what this process of planning is. Therefore, we tried to a considerable extent to get the cooperation of as many people as possible, even at the district level. Apart from a large number of groups of various kinds, I think it may be well said that India is very conscious of planning today. I was reading a foreigner's book the other day in which he says that in India you cannot get away from this planning business. He had written it in slight irritation. Whatever you talk about, somehow they lead you to the question of planning as though everything depended on planning everywhere. Stop.